Welcome to Lesson 8. In this lesson, we are going to explore the final steps of the document creation process, finalizing and sharing your documents. Once you've finished creating and editing your document, it's time to prepare it for distribution to your intended audience. Whether you are sharing a report with colleagues, sending a resume to a potential employer, or distributing a flyer to promote an event, Word provides several options for finalizing and sharing your documents. Let's start with finalizing. Before you share your document with others, you may want to add some finishing touches to make it look polished and professional. One way to do this is by adding headers and footers. Headers and footers are areas at the top and bottom of each page where you can add text, page numbers, or other information that you want to appear on every page of your document. To add header or footer, click on the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click either the header or the footer. It is situated in the header and footer section. You can choose from a variety of built-in header and footer designs, or you can create your own custom header or footer by typing directly into the header or footer area. I will select this one and type here, for example, company name. So this is the words that will be presented during the whole of my document, as at the first page, as at the second page, and so on. Now I also will insert some footer, so for this I go to Insert tab and choose Footer, and select this one where the number of pages is present. So this is going to be my first page. If I go to the second page, I can see that the header is presented that I give before company name, and footer, the second page. It is numbering automatically. Perfect! Now if I want to finish work with headers and footers, I have to double-click on any space in my Word document. Another way to finalize your document is by adding a table of contents. A table of contents provides an overview of the sections and subsections in your document, making it easier for readers to navigate through longer documents. To add a table of contents, click on the References, then click on the Table of Contents and choose a required template. But before choosing this, you have to point the header of your rows. So, for example, the title of the book, The Adventures of Sparky the Brave Bunny, is going to be our header. Then I have to select this first row, select it, go to Home tab and choose Heading 1. So this is going to be our heading. If I want to leave the template, if I click on this, I can see that the template of the heading was changed, but I will undo my changes and will show you some trick. If I changed already the title, for example, I have centered it, increased a little bit fonts and bolded, and I would like that such header would be safe. Then for this, I have to go again to Heading, choose it, right-click on my button and choose Update Heading 1 to match selection. And now I can see that my Heading 1 has such template. Super! Next, Chapter 1. The Mysterious Forest. This is going to be heading 2. I will select this one, click on it, and the other section, header A, Curious Bunny, I will select heading 3, click on it. The same I would do with other chapters and headers. Like this, epilogue I won't touch. Okay, now I can insert a content. How I can add extra page, the page that is going to be the first. For this I have to click my mouse at the first row. After that, hold Ctrl on my keyboard and click on Enter. And now the first page is added before the starting of the story. Good. Now I would like to insert here content. So let's go to References, choose here Table of Contents, and I will choose most suitable template for me, this one. Click on it. What I can see, I have received my content. We have title, we have chapter 1, header, chapter 2, header, and so on. Perfect! Once your document is finalized, it's time to share it with others. Word provides several options for sharing your document, including printing, emailing, and saving to the cloud. If you want to print your document, simply click on the File tab on the ribbon, then click the Print button. You can choose from a variety of printing options, such as selecting the printer, setting the number of copies, it's up here, 1 copy, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you need, and choosing the page range to print. You can print or all pages, or clicking up here you can choose current page, custom print, or you can select something in your document, for example, some text. So I will select a required text I want to print, for example, only this selected text. After that, go File, Print, and choose here Print Selection. And all the rows that you have selected will be printed, not the whole document. Moreover, you can put here some pages that you want to print. Let's get back. So we have here 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 pages up here. And for example, I want to print only the second and the third one without content. For this, I would go to File, Print, and put here second and third. And click on Print. And my document will be printed. Perfect. If you prefer to email your document, you can do so directly from Word. Click on the File tab on the ribbon, then click Share button. You can choose to send the document as an email attachment, either as a Word document or as PDF. You can see send like PDF and much more. Finally, if you want to save your document to the cloud for easy access and sharing, click on the File tab on the ribbon, then click the Save As button. Choose a location to save your document and then click Save. Your document will be saved to the cloud, where you can access it from any device with an internet connection. By finalizing and sharing your documents effectively, you can ensure that your ideas are communicated clearly and professionally to your audience. In the next lesson, we'll share some tips and tricks for improving your productivity in Word, including keyboard shortcuts, time-saving techniques, and hidden features that will help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone just starting out with computers, these tips will help you become a Word power user in no time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.